Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2010 Honda Ridgeline and I will show you which fuse to check in case your power door locks are not working. This video will apply to Honda Ridgelines made from 2006 all the way up to 2014. Now one more thing to add, it's worth checking this fuse if all of your power door locks are not working. If you're having problems with only one door, then most likely you are dealing with a faulty switch or a door actuator. But if none of the power locks are working, then you want to check this fuse. Fuse will be located in a small fuse box in a passenger's cabin just next to the driver's left foot. Now to access the fuses you want to remove this small cover, so just pull it towards yourself and it will slide out. On the back side of the cover you also have a small fuse diagram. Okay, now the fuse you want to check will be a 20 amp yellow fuse located right here in the bottom right corner, and this is the power door locks fuse. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.